Hello, this is a video to show you two things about the free pass. Number one, to know if you need to use a free pass, and number two, how to use a free pass. We start in our Blackboard shell by looking at My Grades. This is a reference to the scores you've received in this class. By way of reminder, a green exclamation point means you have submitted the work and I need to grade it for you. If you have a score, it will be underlined and you'll be able to go into that information and see more about what you submitted for that assignment. Only assignments are eligible for free passes. So as I go through this list, I see I got a score of 10 on the syllabus quiz, a 0 on the first self-assessment, a 10 on the introduction discussion board, a 0 on the quiz, a 9 on the reading 2 quiz, and a 0 on the 6 thinking hats. Some of these zeros can be replaced by using a free pass. The 6 thinking hats is an assignment, and the first self-assessment is an assignment. These are the only two items that can be used as a free pass right now. This week, which happens to be week 3, the time and space pie graphs is the assignment. I've already submitted that. It's just waiting for a grade. I will now go out to the assignments section of Blackboard and scroll down to the free pass folder. Because I am missing 2 assignments, I can use a free pass to submit those. The only 2 assignments in the class that are late at this point are the first self-assessment and the 6 thinking hats. The time and space pie graphs are not listed here because they are not yet late. Next week, after the due date for that assignment, they will show up above the 6 thinking hats. This folder is just like our assignments folder. It will tell us the order in which we were doing the work. The most recent work is going to be at the top. So you may have to scroll down if you're missing assignments from quite some time ago. I have all the material I need for the 6 thinking hats assignment right here. However, additional support information may still be out in the week folder for that assignment. You may recall that in week 2, when we did the 6 thinking hats, I provided a PowerPoint that further described the hats. You can still access the PowerPoint in the week 2 folder, but the assignment materials have disappeared from that folder and are now found here in the free pass. I would open the document, follow the instructions, do the assignment, and save the document. Then come back to the free pass folder, and if this is my first free pass, I would use free pass 1. I've already saved a document under that assignment, so when I click on that, you'll see I have a submission history. So I need to use free pass 2. Start with 1 until you've used it. I'll browse my computer and go out to my files to find the assignment that I am submitting late, 6 thinking hats. Open that, verify the correct attachment, and say submit. Now it shows me that I have used free pass 2, the 6 thinking hats. I'd like to take you now back to the My Grades tool and show you how a free pass looks here. As you saw, I've already used free pass 1 and free pass 2. You would only submit the assignment in one of those. Notice that there are 0 points possible for that assignment. Those 0 points mean that if you don't ever use a free pass, you're not missing out. It's okay that this remains blank because the free pass in and of itself is not worth points. Instead, it will replace this 0, or in this case, because it was for the 6 thinking hats, it replaces this 0. This grade will not change. I was not on time in submitting the 6 thinking hats, so I will have a 0. But when I grade this exclamation point here for free pass 1, I will get my 10 points that I could have earned had I turned it in on time. So 10 out of 0 will now replace the 0 out of 10. This grade stays on the record, but the points will add up down here. In the comment section, I will remind you which assignment you submitted late and then provide you feedback on that assignment. I hope this helps you to understand how to use the free pass to turn in up to 2 late assignments. If you go through the semester and turn all of the assignments in on time and do not use a free pass, you will get extra credit. If you have additional questions, feel free to email me or speak to me in class. I hope this helps. Thank you.